Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today we're going to take the Tracker Grizzly 1548 out for its first time on a hunting trip. I had to reverse quite a ways today due to where the water level was and to make sure I could get the boat off. You also need to keep in mind is the water on the rise, is it coming down, in order to get your vehicle and trailer parked safely where it won't get submerged. Also, you want something with a lighter draft, obviously. This is a high ridge, I had to push the boat over, so less weight the better, less draft. Once we finally got into the creek, the boat did an excellent job just keeping straight. However, when you have any current at all, it's going to push your boat around. It's always good to have somebody with a push-pull up front. Now, when you're going against the current in these boats, obviously you're going to have quite a bit more steering control. But now we're finally at the property. We got there at a decent time. We're going to check it out, see where we can sit, and hopefully find some game for today. Finally made it onto the property. Now I'm trying to figure out where we're going to sit. Usually when I come back here, this field doesn't have any water in it, so I don't know how it's going to be in other fields. So I have to do a little bit of walking around, and then we'll go from there. I got my friend set up, and basically he's hunting over water. This is supposed to be a green patch, but there's a little bit of grass on the other side. You've got two ridges in between. They'll be crossing through here, so he'll just have to take those shots as soon as they become available. I sat in this tree stand right next to the boat, and it overlooked a green patch where I could see about 225 or so yards. Now during that time, I did not stop seeing game for the 6 hours I sat there. There were pigs absolutely everywhere, which is very abnormal for us during the winter. Usually they're very nocturnal and they get very spooked. However, today they were out and about and rooting like crazy. Now, the distances these pigs are at, I did not feel comfortable taking a shot. And if you don't feel like you can make an ethical shot, it's pretty simple. You just don't do it. But little did I know, my friend was about to have an opportunity to get the job done.
It ran a little bit forward. I'm about to smoke this hog right here too.
A couple minutes ago, my friend shot 3 times, called me on the walkie-talkie to let me know that he definitely got a hog and he hopefully got his first ever deer. We're going to give it about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I'm going to walk over to him and help him track this deer and pick up this hog. Timmy, what do you think, bro? That's awesome.
Unreal, bro.
That's awesome.
Literally shaking still. Like you can see my hand.
First deer ever for him with the Marlin 3030, 1970s. This, I mean, that's just incredible. I've always wanted to take him down here where the water's high. I finally have it. And look at the shot placement here. That is bright blood. Has a heart or a lung shot. It definitely broke the shoulder down. It wasn't going to go far, and it didn't. It may have ran 20, 30 yards out of the water. Absolutely insane. Well, we're going to go ahead and get this deer back to the boat, and we still got to go see the hog he also shot. 3030 put in some work today, so did Timmy. Not only with that doe, but also this sow. This is a 120, 150 pound pig. Couldn't be more excited for him. I could not be happier with this boat for hunting. It got us in and out safely, and I had no concerns whatsoever. Now guys, if you enjoyed this video, please make sure to share, like, subscribe for more, and thanks for watching.